Chegg's losing millions to AI. We tested 5 tools that do it better, faster, cheaper, and smarter. Here's what actually works. Chegg built its empire on homework help, but AI changed everything. ChatGPT+, Claude, and specialized tutoring AIs now solve problems instantly, free or cheap. Students skip Chegg entirely. We're seeing the same shift across education tech. Let's explore which AI tools are actually replacing it. First, ChatGPT+ explains concepts and solves problems step by step. Second, Claude excels at detailed explanations without paywalls. Third, Wolfram Alpha handles complex math instantly. Fourth, Anthropic's specialized tutors target specific subjects. Fifth, open source alternatives like Llama offer free, offline solutions. We tested all 5. Creators using Chegg for research now switch to AI. It's faster and integrates with your workflow. Freelancers building tutoring content use these tools instead, saving thousands yearly. We recommend Claude for detailed explanations and ChatGPT for speed. Both offer affordable monthly plans perfect for small teams. Chegg costs $14.999 a month, ChatGPT Plus $20, Claude Pro $20. But here's the catch: one AI account replaces multiple Chegg subscriptions. You save money, get better results, and own your content. The shift is real. Chegg's future looks uncertain. AI tutoring is now the standard. Drop a like if you're ditching Chegg for AI. Subscribe for more tool comparisons that save you money.